Hi everyone, welcome back to Leah's Jewelry and Gems. I'm Leah. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August Bargain Bead Box, which is the Saguaro Sunset. So let's get this opened and see what goodies we have. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, so let's get these sort of in order. 13, 14, 7. Oh, that's pretty chain. 21, 9, 11, 3, 6, 1, 20, 2, 16. That way we know we have everything once we start opening everything up. Ship those up here. Okay, so number one is a red jasper and brass teardrop pendant with antique copper metal finish. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. I love the design with the leaves on the bottom of the metalwork. It's really beautiful. And I love that it has the bail already on it because that makes it simpler when you are designing. You don't have to find something that matches the metal that it's made with. So I like that. And it's also a pinch bail. So if you wanted to take it off, you could always take it off as well. So that's number one. Number two is two pieces of 24 by 18 millimeter red jasper teardrop pendants. Ooh, these are stunning. Look at those inclusions. I love that. This one doesn't have as much, but it's just as stunning. I love that. Those are awesome pendants. Then we have number three, which is four pieces of 14 by 9.5 millimeter red jasper teardrop beads. Ooh, these are pretty. These have inclusions in them as well. You can see the striations in those, and these are drilled from top to bottom, which I love. It makes them very versatile. You can use them in stringing pieces as well as bracelets and earrings. Love those. So we have those. Then we have 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper round beads. This is a 15-inch strand. Get all the bags out the way. Look at that variation. That's stunning. That's what adds a lot of character to your pieces is when your beads have variations like these. It's just awesome how natural beads can just come in such a variety of colors. Those are stunning. Then we have 4 by 2.5 millimeter red rainbow jasper faceted Hishi beads, and this is a 7-inch strand. Oh, look at the sparkle coming off of those. That is stunning. Oh, I love some good Hishi beads. And the fact that they're faceted makes them even more beautiful. And then some of them even have the variations in them as well, despite them being so small. So these are awesome. I love these. Next, we have 3 to 3.5 millimeter Alaskan agate micro faceted round beads. Ooh, these are pretty. I've never had this before. This is one stone that's new to me, and these are absolutely stunning. They are. just popping all over. The color variation is amazing in that. I love that. Next we have 6mm red rainbow jasper matte round beads. I love a good matte bead, and this is a 7-inch strand. Oh, those are beautiful. Those are absolutely beautiful. I love the color. Love the color of those. Let's get this situated. There we go. Ooh, 6mm sea sediment jasper. These are man-made round beads in orchid. This is a 7-inch strand. I love this color. And I think I have some other beads that match this. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's a good pop of color for this box. I like that. Then we have 5.5mm crystal faceted English cut round beads in turquoise green AB. This is a 10-inch strand. The bling on this is off the chart. These are absolutely stunning. I love that pop of green. We have 7 by 4.5mm crystal faceted rectangle beads in dark coral red, and this is a 10-inch strand. Ooh, this is beautiful. These are beautiful. I love these. It's a different shape. I've never seen any this shape before, which is really nice. It adds some texture to your projects that you're making, and I like that. Next is 8mm Riverstone Fossil Jasper Matte Round Beads. This is a 7.5-inch strand. These are absolutely beautiful. I know you can't see them probably, but there are some like striations in these beads that I have, and I absolutely love that. There's one that you can really see a lot easier on camera on that bead right here. But these are beautiful beads. I love those. Then we have a 58 by 33mm porcelain cactus bead, and this is ivory with brown wash. This is a beautiful focal. Absolutely beautiful focal. I love that. That's going to make a gorgeous piece for sure. Then we have 20-gram mix of 6 by 3mm glass rondelle beads in sunset skies. I love the speckling on these beads. Absolutely love it. And I got a lot of purple. I love the purple and the green. And this mix is just so well put together and thought out. I love that. Let's drop those here. I'll put some of them here and put the rest over here. Then we have a 23.5 by 27 by 9mm hand painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Nights. Oh, this is pretty. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. That is a gorgeous focal bead. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's put you right here. Then we have 4 pieces of 37 to 46mm cactus teardrop pendant set, antique copper with patina. Oh, I love these. These are absolutely amazing. I don't know. Maybe earrings, maybe just multiple necklaces, but these are absolutely stunning. I love those. And that's the back of that one. And the back of this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have 4-piece 25 by 22mm teardrop chandelier pendants in antique copper. These are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. A good chandelier is always worth having, and these are a beautiful copper color. I love this color. I love that we have 4 of those as well. And then 6-piece 27 by 17 millimeter textured teardrop links in antique copper. These are lead free and cadmium free. Oh, these are beautiful. I love the texture on these. And they're textured on both sides. I love that. Then we have 30-piece 6 millimeter detailed bicone spacer beads in antique copper, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. Open sesame. Oh, look at those. Check out the detail on those. Absolutely beautiful. With the matching copper that's in this box. These are amazing spacers. Then we have 30-piece 7 millimeter bead caps in antique copper, lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. Oh, these bead caps are awesome. I love the deep copper color of these. Another amazing choice for this box. It goes so well with everything so far. Then we have a 3-piece 24 by 11 millimeter hook and eye clasp, antique copper, lead free and cadmium free. These are so beautiful. I love this. I love the texture that you get on here in the details. Even though it's a simple design, the details are amazing. And I love that we get 3. And this is the back of the whole side. Those are amazing. And then lastly, we have 4 by 3 millimeter textured oval cable chain. And this is antique copper. This is lead free and nickel free. A good chain is hard to come by. And look at that texture. It is amazing. Oh, I'm going to have to get me some more of this chain because this is absolutely amazing chain. So that is what came in the August box for Bargain Bead Box, the Saguaro Sunset. Stay tuned to see what I create with all of these beautiful beads and components.